Cities learn to normalize such spaces. But for someone growing up there, uncertainty is not an interruption to life. It slowly becomes part of everyday existence. Apsari's reality, harsh as it may seem, is not entirely unfamiliar across large sections of the society. Many young people may still have a roof over their heads, a small room to return to, or a family trying its best to hold things together. But limited access to stable work, informal economies, fragile safety nets, and structural exclusion continue to shape everyday life. And yet, aspiration survives quietly. Beneath the uncertainty, the restlessness itself reveals something deeper, a refusal to stop hoping for a different life.
मुझ जैसे बहुत सारे जो बच्चे हैं जो यूपी बिहार से हैं, जो दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं पेरेंट्स के साथ, पर उनकी फैमिली इतना इनकम सोर्स नहीं है कि अपने बच्चों को दिल्ली के हर एक प्राइवेट स्कूल या गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में ट्यूशन भी पढ़ा पाए।
उन्हें एजुकेशन नहीं मिलता, तो सेम मुझे भी वैसे एजुकेशन नहीं मिला।
मैं सोचा यार पैसे कमाने के लिए आए थे, पैसे ही नहीं है कमाने के लिए, उसकी लर्निंग्स को लेने के लिए पैसे नहीं है।
It is within these realities that the NIIT Foundation's Changemaker Academy begins to matter. Not merely as a training program, but as a space where confidence, exposure, and possibility can slowly take root. It prepares youth from underserved communities to build sustainable enterprises of their own. Not just job seekers, but job creators.
So at Changemaker Academy, we are looking at it or approaching it slightly different from a regular business management program, and that's how we also encourage the young people to think of the fact that entrepreneurship or a successful entrepreneur is someone who takes responsibility for their own economic growth as well as the business to sustain. But at the same time, because my business exists, it cannot be a drain on the environment, and it cannot take away from society without actively wanting to give back.
Inside classrooms and training spaces, the transformation begins gradually through mentoring, business exercises, market exposure, financial planning, communication training, and enterprise development. Students begin learning how ideas survive in the real world, not just emotionally, economically.
So when in around the third immersion, when they start the business fundamentals, while at one level they are learning about the whole cost sheet management, how do I understand what expenses, how do I book my expenses, what does revenue mean, how do I really understand what is the blueprint of my model, what kind of marketing strategies do I use. Now to understand marketing strategies, for example, and this is common business fundamental knowledge, that they must do something called as stakeholder mapping.
The shift becomes visible in small but important ways. The way they speak, the way they present themselves, the way they explain their products, negotiate costs, or think about customers.
मेजर जो चीज़ मैंने सीखी वो था कस्टमर को समझना, कस्टमर को वो चीज़ डिलीवर करना जो कस्टमर चाह रहा है, और सबसे मेन चीज़ जो चाह रहा है उस प्रॉब्लम को आइडेंटिफाई करना।
तो जो मेरे टारगेट ऑडियंस थी, जब मैंने उनसे बात करी, मुझे पता चला कि उन्हें चीपेस्ट प्राइस में प्रोडक्ट तो चाहिए, लेकिन जो क्वालिटी है वो हाई चाहिए।
सिर्फ हम फाइनेंशियली देखते थे कि आप इन्वेस्ट करोगे 10,000 रुपये और अगले महीने से आपको 12,000 रुपये आने लग जाएंगे, बट वो चीज़ नहीं होती। 10,000 करते हो, अगले महीने से 1,000 भी नहीं आते अपने पास।
हमने एक एक्सेल शीट बनाई 12 मंथ्स की, जिसमें हमने एक्सपेंसेस लिखे, फिक्स कॉस्ट कितनी हमारी, वेरिएबल कॉस्ट कितनी रहेगी, क्या आउटफ्लो क्या होगा, इनफ्लो कितना रहेगा, और हमें ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट तक पहुंचने के लिए कितना कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट है, ताकि हम 6 मंथ तक या 12 मंथ तक सर्वाइव कर सकें।
जब CMA में एनरोल करा, जब जाके एक्टिविटीज़ टूल्स के माध्यम से हमें पता चला कि बिज़नेस को देखने के 5 तरीके होते हैं: फाइनेंशियल, इकोलॉजिकल, जियोग्राफिकल, सोशल और कल्चरल। जब ये 5 तरीके से हम अपना बिजनेस देखते हैं तो वो डिफरेंट चीज़ें निकल कर आती है।
Saurabh's choice of business wasn't wrong. In these underserved urban pockets, access to guidance and learning can make a decisive difference.
जिस चीज़ को मैं फेस करके आया हूँ, वो मैं नहीं चाहता कि मेरे जैसे और बच्चे चीज़ को फेस करें।
In Odisha, Guduli has already begun building a tailoring practice of her own. With a single machine and a steadily growing client base, She's slowly converting skill into stability.
अभी तो मेरा एक छोटा सा बिजनेस है, मैं उसको बड़ा करना चाहता हूँ। अभी मेरी 13 कस्टमर है और मुझे एनएडी फाउंडेशन तरफ में जो हेल्प मिलेगा, मैं एक और मशीन लाऊंगा और धीरे धीरे उसको बड़ा करूंगा।
Sunamani runs a paper plate enterprise supplying nearby markets and local functions. Simple in scale but steady in intent. Through expanding market linkages, her work replaces disposables with opportunity, one order at a time.
ମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ମାନେ ଦୋକାନ ସହିତ ଲାଙ୍ଗଡ଼ା ଚକ କୋଉଠି ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ଯେଉଁ ତାଙ୍କର ବାହାଘରିଆ ହବ, ବ୍ରତଘର ଯେଉଁ ସୁଧଘର, ସେଇଥିରେ ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡ଼ର ଦେବେ।
Afsari's journey demanded more from the very beginning. Reaching the same line was always going to take longer, simply because she started farther away. Today, she has tied up with a garment factory to repurpose their textile waste into everyday bags. Alongside production, she continues learning new systems, machines and processes, building capability, not just income.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई के बाद मेरा इतना ज़्यादा चेंज आ गया, अगर मैं लाइफ में कुछ कर लूँगी तो कितना ज़्यादा चेंज होगा मेरी फैमिली के लिए भी, मेरे लिए भी।
When the conditions are right, transformation can look this simple. Because what begins with one person rarely remains singular.